Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Let's start. At first I draw a center line. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. I draw a circle, then I draw a U shape. Triangle for nose. Having finished the drawing, then I apply the colors accordingly. Yellow ochre, primary red, pink, grey color, dark brown, lemon yellow. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.